Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Does steam cleaning ruin carpets? Steam cleaning often uses high pressure that causes a messy, ineffective carpet clean. High water pressure can also break down your carpet and after multiple cleans start to destroy the carpet fibers. Does shampooing your carpet really work? Carpet shampooing often removes thick dirt, mud, and other such grime more effectively than steam. Shampoos and detergents are an excellent option for pet stain and odor removal, food stains, and musty smells. Carpet detergents are most effective for restoring the color of a home's rugs. Should I shampoo my carpet? A carpet that is walked on daily should be cleaned at least once or twice per year, but carpet in an infrequently used room may need to be shampooed only every 18 months. Light-colored carpeting will show dirt more easily and may need to be cleaned more often. How often should carpets be steam cleaned? Once a year. A general rule of thumb. A good rule of thumb is to have your carpet professionally steam cleaned at least once a year, twice if you seem to track a lot of dirt in. This way you get a good, deep cleaning and don't let the dirt build up. What is the safest carpet cleaning method? Steam cleaning. Steam cleaning is also known as deep cleaning. That's because it is the only carpet cleaning method known to remove at least 97% of dirt and bacteria from carpeting. It is also the only method that reaches all the way down to the lowest layer, or pile, of your carpeting to clean it thoroughly. Does steam cleaning cause mold? When a steam clean is undertaken properly by a hired professional, it's not possible for it to cause the growth of mold. The carpet can be dry in less than 24 hours. It can, however, be possible for a carpet to grow mold when it isn't steam cleaned properly.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.